this episode today, November 1st, 2025, on the Jeep Cherokee XJ. I've got to look at the brakes dragging. Caliper sticking maybe for some reason. Caliper's not allowing the piston to go back into it, so it could be sticking and causing the brake drag there. So they do make a seal kit you can do to pull the pistons out, put a couple seals in there, and that may fix it. You know, take that piston to the wire wheel, get any corrosion off of it. So that would be a cheap fix. But then I was thinking of a cheaper alternative, and the brake pads on each end, they kind of hook onto this caliper mount, and they could be dragging on that because there's quite a bit of rust. So I'm going to start with that first. I'm going to sand that, kind of like almost polish it best I can, put a little bit of grease on it, see if they'll slide better, and then while it's jacked up in the air I can turn the tire to see if that brake drag is released or not. So let's try that today. That's where I'm at. So what I'm talking about here, this is like a sliding area. You can see how much rust is kind of caked on that. So I want to try to sand this nice and smooth, and same thing with the brake pad section here. So we get that all nice and smooth, almost polished like. And then we'll do the same thing down here below. So clean those up with the wire wheel, and now we're gonna go and try to get the other side on the caliper mount done. Now, I've kind of wire wheeled these clean really quick here just to see. And I noticed we got that nice little divot in there on both sides here. And if you're putting this pad on here, and they're gonna be in there, like, that could be an issue. Yeah, I'm holding on the rotor, and that's exactly where it lines up, right in those divots. So that can't be the healthiest for it, you know. Might throw some weld in there and sand it smooth. Yep, it is raining now, so I won't be able to weld at the moment. Gosh darn it. Alright, so I guess we're going to be at a holding pattern to do any welding right now. You can hear the rain still. It wasn't supposed to rain. It's almost mixed with a little bit of sleet too. We're probably mid-30s, low 30s. Alright. Alright, got a little bit of break in the rain. As you can see, we got some of that sunlight showing. Got the welder set up here. Try to keep it dry. And here's what we're going to try to do. Sparked. We got enough material built up on there now. Might be alright. Yeah. I'll get the old grind wheel out, grind that down, we'll see what we're left with. Okay, let me know if you're okay. Little hot sparks on you to show you that you got some experience of filming in good places. Alright. Alright, here's our product here.
It'll work. I'll try putting it on. See what it looks like. Okay, well, here we are. See how this looks. So I'm gonna put the tire back on it, hit the brakes, spin it, see if they're free or not. All right, look at that. I was not able to do that before. And I was just hitting the brakes. I think that's a win. Let's do it to the other side. Just to get a reference of the drag I've got on it right now, this is the other side. We did the other one. As soon as I stop and I let my hand off, it immediately stops. It doesn't coast. And this one's a lot more difficult to push forward. Okay, let's do the work on this side and we'll see if we get a little bit more coasting motion. All right, we got this one all done. Pump the brakes up. Let's spin it. Remember, it stops spinning as soon as I let go. Yeah, that's a lot better. Sweet. All right, I think that's it for now. I think we salvaged what we could. And take it for a test drive, see if it's still looking good with the temp gun on it. And hopefully it's under 120 degrees.